Lexmoto Venom SK125-22, and I'm gonna talk about exhaust rust. So as you might see here, my exhaust is very nicely rusted, and after all the winter riding through the salt, it's probably in, well, kind, let's say, used condition. But then again, is it really matter with these bikes that your exhaust is rusted? In my opinion, it doesn't that much matter apart from the visual impression. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply use matte super black spray and freshen up while the weather is all nice. Let's get to it. All right. So really honestly, it doesn't matter that you're gonna get some of the black spray somewhere out there. If you really want to make a nice job, you probably can, you know, put all the tape around and everything like that. But I just want to have a bit of a nicer outlook when I ride my motorcycle than this looking like a rust bucket, which it seems that all these exhausts kind of entail. Well, there you go. I mean, it's quite done. It's looking alright. It looks freshly painted now, but after I ride it, I ain't gonna see any difference. Quite happy with it. That was Lexmoto Venom and his SK125, and this is how I deal with my rusted piece of, well, exhaust. There you go. Matte super matte black paint done up. Let's put some miles in it. Let's see what's gonna come out once all this dry and a bit of a dust gonna come onto it. Alright, now when it's a few miles done, as you might see, the exhaust is dirty and you can't even see that too big of a difference of being painted. Either way, it does look much better than what it was before. Less rusted, less crappy, and I kind of like with this outcome of, well, essentially what it is right now. So not too good, not too bad. It's definitely better than what it was before. That's the way I deal with the exhaust rust.